Hello everyone and welcome to this course introduction. Today we are going to take a look in Python. But first let me show you guys what you will do. Students will learn printing in variables, strings and phrases, input, numbers, lists and list functions, and a lot more. Students will mainly need Python 3, or they might need to download Python 3, PyCharm, and that's really all. And you could get Python 3 and PyCharm for free, and there will be a separate video on how to download it. And thank you so much, and I hope to see you in this course.